guys, welcome back. I'm Julie Farrar with Rutenberg, and today I'm in Indian Shores. I'm checking out this amazing condo. It's right on the beach with 3,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. As you can see, it's a little bit windy, so let's go inside and check out this home. So we are on the 3rd floor, and the elevator brought us right to the front door, which is so neat. I want to go ahead and take a left and go straight into the master bedroom. And this master bedroom is 12 by 20, which is quite spacious. This lovely tray ceiling with the crown molding around gives it some character. You have a double door entry, which I like, which is great for moving in furniture. And then you have sliders that will lead you to the lanai. And oh my God, check out this view! Isn't this awesome? We're gonna go out there in just a little bit. And to the left, the master bedroom actually has its own flex space, so you can set up as an office if you like. And then the master bathroom can be accessed 2 ways, out of the office or the bedroom. Let's head over to the other side of the home. Here we have the second of 4 bathrooms. So you see it's a full bathroom. Solid wood cabinets. You can tell it's a little bit dated because this was actually built in 2002. And then across we have a bedroom. And you have a little Juliet balcony up front, which is quite cute. And then if we continue on, we have the 3rd bathroom and bedroom. So to the right is the bedroom, which it doesn't have doors actually. So technically, I guess it would be an office, but it could totally function as a bedroom. And here's the bathroom. Double vanities and a shower. And of course, your commode as well. And I do like this Listello that they put all the way around the wall. It's cute. All right, let's take this hallway. There's actually another room. I forgot it's on the other side. So let's head over there and take a look. And besides the bedroom and bathroom, you also have the laundry room, which is straight ahead of us. This little closet right here comes in handy. Makes a great storage closet. And to the left, we have the bedroom, which also has a Juliet balcony that faces the street. And you have your full bathroom. Now, if you guys don't like the finishes on this home, you're getting such a great value for being right on the beach. You can renovate this home, and just make it to your liking. So this is the Juliet balcony, and this is a view. All right, so now to the living room. Check out the space. You have a fireplace, lots of space in here, and I just love all the glass sliding doors. And then to the right, we have the dining room. And I like this wall that I put in there as a divider. So even though it's very open, you have that as a divider. And check out all the sliding glass doors. Oh my God, so much light coming in. And yeah, being on the beach, definitely a must. So here's the kitchen. This kitchen makes a great space for entertainment actually. And I like how they added this little nook here with the wine rack and the glass in the cabinet doors. And this kitchen is a little bit unique because it has 2 sinks. And you have a wine fridge as well. And really no obstruction in the view going to the family room or the dining room. Now let's head outside. I can't wait to show you this amazing view. Oh my goodness. How I would love to live here. Can you imagine waking up to this every day? Wow, and then this balcony, it wraps around. Not all the way, but it's quite long. It's over 100 feet long actually and 14 feet deep. But check this out. Oh, if you're a beach lover, I think this will be your property. So what do you guys think about this condo? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, and one more thing before I forget, there's also a pool and a hot tub. You can see this actually from the balcony. So there you are. And it has also a kitchenette that can be used and restrooms as well. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.